everyone, Saviroosje here, and today I'm back with a new digital shading tutorial. I'm going to show you an easy way to shade your digital artworks by using layer modes. I will also show you how you can easily change the color of your shading. I already gave my drawing the base colors for this tutorial. And I want to share a tip with you guys. Create a new layer at the bottom and color the whole drawing in one color. This way we can easily select the whole drawing by using Ctrl-click on that layer. So select the whole drawing by going to that particular layer and press Ctrl-click. And make a new layer above the base colors and start shading your artwork with a color you prefer. For this one, I pick a cool color such as blue. As you can see, this might look a bit odd, but don't you worry, we will make this work. Go to your layer and change the layer mode to multiply. The blue color now lays over the base colors of the drawing and is a bit see-through. And now you have a very nice shading effect. This is called a layer mode. There are lots of different layer modes in almost every drawing program. Try them out and have fun with them. But for this tutorial, we will only use multiply. So, as you can see, you can color your whole drawing very easily with this layer mode. No need to pick a different color every time. What a lifesaver, isn't it? So, let's make the shading a bit warmer. Simply go to that layer with your shading and use Ctrl-click to select the layer, or you can also lock the pixels on that particular layer. This is different in every drawing program, but I know that Paint.si and Photoshop both have the option to lock the pixels on the layer. And now you can draw on that layer, but you only color the already existing pixels. So that is really nice as well. So let's pick a warm color such as red and give the drawing a warm shading. Play around with the opacity and boom! You have changed your shading to a warm color. Now we can also make our shading even more interesting. Let's give it a gradient. Color your drawing like you normally would, Ctrl and click on the shading layer and use the gradient tool to create a gradient over your shading. Set the layer to multiply and now you have created your gradient shading. You can also play around with different colors, warm, cool, mixed, rainbow, whatever you want. And you have created your gradient shading. And the final shading I want to show you is how you can create a night-themed drawing. I often see people struggle with coloring scenes which take place at night or in a dark place. We will use the same technique as before, but we simply add another layer. Shade your drawing with a dark blue color. And also keep in mind where the light hits and where the lighting is, but I will explain that in another video. So for this video, we will only focus on the shading in general. So again, when you have shaded your drawing, put that layer on multiply and now we will create the night effect. Add a new layer and again, Ctrl and click on the layer so the whole drawing is selected. Add a dark blue gradient over that layer so the whole drawing is a gradient. Then put that layer on multiply and now you will have a nighttime effect on your drawing. Play around with the opacity of the layers to create your desired effect. And optional, to give the drawing more contrast, add a new layer on top of the others and set that layer to overlay. Pick a light yellow color and highlight some spots on the drawing. This will give an illusion of light hitting your character in the dark. And these were my easy digital art shading tips. Here is a short summary of the important things of the tutorial. If you have any questions about this technique, feel free to leave a comment. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in another video. Bye bye!